Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. Here we will start from the right side plane. So we'll select here the YZ plane. Take the circle command. From the center point, make a circle of diameter 50. Okay. And from same center point, we are going to construct one more circle of diameter 30. Okay, now finish sketch, take extrude, select this profile, take here symmetric extrude and take here 100 mm. Okay, now press OK. Now go to origin and we will select here the exit plane. This is the top view. Create sketch, rotate the view. Here go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Now go to sketch, take the line command. Now I'll start from here and make a rough sketch. Okay, and make it a straight. Now escape. Now go to dimension. From the center point, this will be at a distance of 20 mm. Okay, and here this will be at 90 mm and this will be here. From this end, this will be 180. Okay, this will be 90 from center. So I'll delete this. Delete. Go to dimension. From center, we'll pick it as 90. Okay, now go to this line. From center, the horizontal distance here will be of 55 mm and the angle between these two lines here will be 170 degree. Okay, now here go to offset, select this profile and drag it inside and make offset distance of 4 mm and escape. Now here go to line command, make a joining profile here and similarly make one joining profile at this bottom. Okay, now finish sketch, go to extrude, go to symmetric and we'll take extrude distance of 25 mm. Okay, this will be a joining profile and press OK. Go to home. Now you can see the profile. Now I want same profile this side as well. So go to mirror feature, select this feature, go to mirror plane and we'll select the mid plane, the YZ plane and press OK. Same profile will be constructed here. Now rotate this complete profile and select this bottom face. Okay, go to create sketch, rotate the profile. Here take the line command. We'll select this inner profile, select this edge. Here select this and select this and select here. Now escape, finish sketch, take extrude, go to home. Now we have to extrude it up to 4 mm and this extrude is going downside, so I'll flip the direction. Okay, this will be also a joining profile and press OK. Okay, go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Now here go to 3D model. I want a complete round profile. From fillet, go to part 1. You constructed this profile. Now I'll going to construct this round profile. Okay, go to part 2, go to fillet. Here we will select here full round fillet. So it will ask you 3 face 1, the center face and the bottom face. So we'll select this top face, then center face, rotate and this bottom face. Apply. Now here same we will do this side, top face, center face and here the bottom face. Okay, now press OK. Go to home. Now select this face, go to create sketch, take here circle command and drag the cursor on this, you will find the center point. Make circle of diode 10, enter, go to project geometry, project this line, now escape. Now take here the rectangular pattern, select this circle, go to direction 1, select this line. Here take a count of 4 and here take dimension of 20 mm. Okay. Now flip the direction and press OK. Now finish sketch, take extrude, select all the profiles, take here cut, and here we are going to take all. So this will be a through cut and press OK. Okay. Now go to fillet, take here a fillet radius of 2, select this edge, this edge, rotate, and here this and this, press OK. Now here take the chamfer command, we'll take chamfer of 2 mm, select this circle, rotate and select here, press OK. Now go to home. Now we'll define the appearance. From here we'll take cyan color, so this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.